Wondering if this is in Ndiyona. It is indeed. So this was 95 k's out of Ndiyona, which gives us 103 there per the sign to Rundu. And of course, once you're through the 100k mark, then it's just you're just reeling it in. I can feel it's a bit warmer, sun on my back. Not hot, it's okay, still quite comfortable. Just a long straight road, more undulating, ups and downs, unlike Botswana, which is was very flat by comparison. So Rundu, here we come. I don't know what the time is again. It's who knows the clock. 9:30 maybe. What do I through the border 7:30? Through the border 7:30, so probably 9:30, I guess. So another just over an hour. If I keep sitting at 110, I should be there then by 10:30, 11. I forgot crossing borders, you got to get a detailed address. The guy didn't panic, he said, just put Rundu, but I've got to get a detailed address of the next place I'm going to stay at with a phone number, and of course I think it's on my phone, the offline maps to get to the place.